My friends, who would have ever thought this dilapidated abandoned RV, which was just sitting in a scrapyard for only $300, would one day shed its old skin and turn into a luxury mansion? First, I shook hands with the owner and finalized the deal. The vehicle wasn't in any condition to drive, so I used a massive crane to lift it into the air. Then, I loaded it onto a tow truck and brought it straight to the empty lot in my park. And now, the real makeover begins. The car's body was terribly rusted. Armed with an angle grinder, I started sanding down the entire body. After stripping away the rust and layers of old paint one by one, look at that. The outer aluminum body has become absolutely shiny and silvery. Next, I pulled out the old broken window glasses and fitted brand new ones in their place. To get ready for the new paint job, I neatly covered all the windows using cardboard sheets and masking tape. Then I grabbed the paint spray gun. I went with a gorgeous deep blue for the bottom section and a crisp, spotless white for the upper body. Once the paint dried, I peeled off the window covers and just look at it. With that blue and white combination, the car is now gleaming like it's brand new. After that, I jacked the car up using a hydraulic jack. I took off the old rusty wheels one by one and replaced them with brand new, sturdy, and durable tires. With the exterior done, I finally stepped inside. The interior was a disaster. Filthy couches, a rusted washing machine, and piles of junk. So I dragged it all out and threw it away. Armed with an axe and a crowbar, I ripped up the rotten wooden floor and tore down the old ceiling, completely gutting the entire inside. Now only the bare metal chassis remains. Next, I packed the gaps in the metal frame with special soundproof and heat-insulating foam. To give the floor a truly royal look, I laid down premium quality wooden flooring. I tossed out the two old driving seats and replaced them with a pair of incredibly comfortable, bright red leather seats. After that, I built a new wooden framework along both side walls and the ceiling, added insulation once again, and wrapped the entire wall structure in beautiful plywood panels. With the walls ready, it was time to furnish the place one piece at a time. I set up a kitchen counter complete with a sink, a wooden sofa frame for seating, and neat wooden cabinets overhead for storage. A vehicle that was practically ready for the dumpster has been completely transformed by my own hands. Take a look at the final interior view, my friends. A luxurious bed upstairs, a cushioned sofa below, a kitchen counter. All together, it feels just like a rolling 5-star hotel. So friends, out of 10, what score would you give my work? Let me know in the comments below.